Hello everyone, thank you for watching my videos. This is Carlos, Touch of Glass Painting and Handyman Service. And what I'm doing here is doing the corner beads. The metal corner beads is so when you're walking and you hit the corners, the compound or the plaster won't crack and come into pieces. What this does is holds it together, and it's called corner beads. So I already installed it, and what I'm doing now is compounding it. And it takes about 2 or 3 coats to get it nice and all covered up, and this way you don't see the metal corner bead at all. Thank you for watching. Touch of Glass Painting and Handyman Service. 401-696-1650. You can call for a free estimate. Thank you very much. Happy holidays.